everyone, it's Sarah with Child's Pose Studios, and this is your 30-day Kids Yoga Challenge. So grab a water bottle and meet me on the mat. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today is day 9 of your 30-day Kids Yoga Challenge. This week it's all about the standing postures. You may have heard of this pose before, or if you've been coming to my classes, you have been here before. It is downward dog. Downward dog is one of my favorite poses to stretch out my back and my legs, my calves, and my thighs. To get into your downward dog, show me your high five hands. Maybe give me a little high five to the camera. We are gonna start with our high five hands on the mat. Come into your tabletop pose. So my hands are right under my elbows and my knees are touching the mat. We are going to lift our body up into the air so that it almost forms a triangle with our body. My hands are on the ground, my toes are gonna touch the mat behind me, and I'm gonna push my body all the way up into downward dog. And if you can see, my body is actually making a triangle. It's making a triangle. I have really strong, straight legs. I have really strong, straight arms. And my hands are high-fiving the mat, kind of like a star. If you'd like up here, you can pedal your feet out. I like to call this walk my dog. Now take your head and drop it. Drop it so that it hangs heavy. You're stretching out your neck, you're stretching out your head. Take a deep breath here. Come all the way up onto your tippy toes. Give your back a nice stretch. Take a deep breath. Come back down and into your child's pose. Deep breath here. One more deep breath in. And let it out. Thank you guys for sharing that downward dog with me. I hope you find a space in your home or outside to practice it, and I'll see you guys right here tomorrow on the mat. Bye everyone.